Does she have a part where she just like, and then you just play a part over and over again? It's just her going, like when you play a video game and you disable everything but the sound effects, and, and you just hear the characters go like, the way she's giving me the finger, this